So hey guys, I got finally some update for you, and I pretty much did Mac release. So that's the Mac release. There's a spring in there, and as you can see, it reaches inside. And what I need to do is finish it right here, do the notch, which will lock into the Mac. So I'll do a magazine in some time to check this if it works, and I also glued this tube. It's a wooden stick in there reaching to this point, and this is basically strengthened it down to make it stronger, and it's some housing for the bolt catch pin. So this is the bolt catch pin, just a wooden stick with a cylinder, and this is where the bolt catch will be. And I'll take this down for you. So yeah, I need some thin scissors. Damn, this is too hard. One hand, so here it is. Now I pull it out, and it comes right out. So this is basically a paper cylinder. Then let me grab something better. This is from the cylinder. There is a wire going here and back, so this is hard, and then there is a wire going back, and this shape is made from toilet paper mesh. So, and the spring is glued in. So that's it, and I started on the bolt, and as you know, if you know how the air bolt looks, I'm gonna make a little tutorial on how to make it easy. So first I made these two tubes. This is where the hole is in the bolt, and there I cut it around here, so this is normal size. Then I increase the size for a piece here. Oh, maybe a bit longer, like this, and this is in the same proportion. So I was that. Then I basically put the layers over this and make this one tube. I know that there is the cylinder which is rounded, and here is the bolt face with these locking notches and the extractor and ejector inside. So the bolt face looks like this. There's 1, 2, 3 on the firing pin, and then like this. So yeah, so this is what I have for now. I'll continue on this, finish the trigger guard, and make Mac and bolt catch. And I think that's, oh yeah, finish the safety, and I think that's basically everything for the lower, I guess. The handle, of course, and yeah, and then make this buffer tube mounting. But first I will make the buffer tube to determine the size of the hole. So yeah, that's basically everything I have now. So thanks for watching and see you soon.